Okay, recording this mostly in case I fall off the thing. You can see how I ended up demising myself, unaliving myself, as some people say now. I'm going to back that thing down. The ramp is at about a 19-degree angle. When we put it up there, we use the ramps. The ramps were at 20 degrees, I believe it was, which when we put it underneath the trailer ramp, changed the trailer ramp to 14. But 19 for the whole entire ramp is less than what the car ramps are, so here goes nothing. That's it. It's off. And I didn't kill myself. So that's a plus. Yeah, we'll dig up the rest, and even though I made a mistake and flipped the thing the wrong way and dropped the post hole digger instead of carrying it with me. It's a pretty hefty piece of equipment, so I don't think it really would have harmed it that much. The thing weighs almost 100 pounds. All right, well, that's it for right now. As you can see, it's wet and dreary, so I'm not going to be doing much else today. Maybe tomorrow we'll, let me get you over here. Tomorrow we'll uncover the beast and then put the tire back on. It was flat. We took it off, brought it back to Rhode Island with us, had it fixed. Now all I got to do is put it back on and then move the tractor out of the way so I can get the excavator back over onto the side of the house, and we'll use the excavator to remove those batteries. Let's see how many are there. I think there's 10 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Looks like 12 of them. 12 of the batteries. Once those are up and out and on the side of the foundation, I'll reach over the wall of the foundation and rip the rest of that wall out and possibly throw it in the fire pit and burn it. Hopefully also, if it doesn't rain anymore, the rest of this water will dry out. It dries out very quickly. When the sun comes out and a little bit of a breeze is all it takes, the water evaporates really quick. All right.